Greetings, guys. You're welcome once more to NEPH, your YouTube station where we solve problems on math covering different topics. I'm Mr. Opuke by name, your tutor here in this channel. So today we are going to be taking a problem on rhombus. So rhombus, that's on mensuration, okay? That's plane shapes. All right, I don't know whether you have an idea what a rhombus looks like. So I'm going to draw something on the board so that we can be able to understand the question. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's go into the question. All right, so our solution, now it looks like, okay, rhombus looks like this, okay. Now it has equal lengths, this length, this length, this length, this length, they are all equal. All right, so now it has two diagonals. We have one coming this way, another diagonal coming this way, both meeting at this point. Okay, so one of the things is all the sides or the lengths, okay, are equal. Then it has two diagonals that intersect. This is the point of intersection. They all intersect at what, 90 degrees. Okay, so we have, we can call this D1 as the first diagonal. We can call this what, D2. So rhombus has, okay, all the sides or all the lengths equal and two diagonals, okay, which intersect at what, the center. So in this question, if we can observe, the diagonals of the rainbows are what, 12 centimeter and what, 5 centimeter. The question says we should calculate the perimeter. All right, so the first we want to understand is what is perimeter. When we say perimeter, we want to add all around the length of the shape. So I'm going to add L plus L plus L. So perimeter means L plus L plus L, okay, and plus L. So that will give us what perimeter is equals to 4 L. So that is the perimeter. But one thing is this, we have to know the value of L from this shape. What is L? So I'm going to quickly derive an equation using Pythagoras so that we can be able to know the value of L. Right. So if the whole of this length is d squared, it means half of this, okay, let me just draw it. Half of this, let's say from this point A to point what B is what? Half of this, okay, let's say A, B, and C. So length AB is half of what? Length of D1. So let's say we have a triangle here. This triangle, which is our A, B, and C. So length AB will be what? D1 over 2. All right. And length D2, which is BC, will be what? We'll say D2 over what? 2. And we have our length here. All right. So having gotten this, we can now be able to what? Solve for what? L. And what do we apply here? Remember, the diagonals meet at the intersect at what, a right angle. So this gives us what, a right angle triangle. So it means we can apply what? We can apply Pythagoras theorem to this. Alright, so if we apply Pythagoras theorem, we can see that our L, okay, L squared is equals to d squared plus d squared. So I have d1 over 2 squared plus what? We have d2 over 2 squared. So L becomes what? Square root of what? Of so d1 over what? 2 squared plus what? d2 over 2 squared. Alright, so let me quickly erase this part so that we can now proceed. So our perimeter to this question becomes perimeter is 4 times what L is. So L is what? Square root of what? Half of d1 square plus half of what? d2 square. This gives us the solution to the problem. All right, but we can further simplify this, okay, to form another equation. All right, so we have perimeter is equals to this is 4 into, okay, this will give us d1 square over what? 2 times 2 is 4 plus this is what? D2 square all over what? 4. So this will give us 4 square root of. Okay, since we have a common denominator, we have 4 there. So we can say d1 square plus d2 square. All right. So from this, we can further simplify applying the principle of solve. So this square root can, go for the numerator and can also go for the what? Denominator. All right, so I haven't gotten that. Finally, okay, my perimeter from this relationship is going to be 4 square root of d1 square plus d2 square divided by square root of 4 is 2. So if I cancel this out, we have 2. All right, so from this, we have two formulas with which we can solve this problem. Okay, the first formula is this, and the second formula is what we have here, which is what? P is equals to 2 multiplied by what? D1 square plus D2 square. Now, whichever formula you use, you are going to arrive at what? The same what? Answer. All right, so but for this case, I would like us to use this formula. All right, so let's use this formula and solve for the perimeter. Well, you can still use this to confirm your answer. So I have P is equals to what? 2 into square root of what's D1? So we have D1 and D2. So D1 is 5, so 5 centimeter all in bracket square plus D2 is what? 12 centimeter all in bracket square. So remember we're using this formula to solve, okay? All right, so this will give us perimeter is equal to 2 into 5 centimeter square means 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter, which will give us 25 centimeter square plus this is 12 times 12, which will give us 144 centimeter square. All right, so if we add this, we are going to get what? 2 into the square root of this plus this is going to give us what? 169 centimeter square. So we are going to quickly take the square root of this. All right, let's take the square root of that. So if we take the square root of that, our perimeter is going to be 2 times square root of 169 is what? 13 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter is equals to 13 times 2 will give us 26 centimeters. So this gives us the solution to this problem. If you wish, you can also use this formula to try the problem, all right? You are still going to arrive at this. Okay, guys, make sure you hit the like button, share this video to your friends, loved ones, and students. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.